All right, so we've been building out our home gym and we don't have too much space in here. You can see it's a little cramped. We've got our treadmill right here. We've got some weights and stuff, but I wanted to get something that I could do pull-ups and dips on, and this is what I got on Amazon. So I've tried some other ones out in the past. You've probably seen the normal ones that kind of hook on here, and that's usually just for pull-ups. But one thing I like about this is it's actually made for pull-ups and dips, and you don't have to actually use them both at the same time. This actually comes off. So if you want to do just focus on your pull-ups, you know, I would definitely take that off just so it's not in the way. But you've got different options here. You've got your grip on the outside, which you could do your wide grip pull-ups, and then you've got your inside. And I like that they put this foam all the way across it, so it's not just like some random grip position that they think would be good. They actually just put it all the way across because, you know, everyone's got different grip position that they like to use, whether that be here or maybe you're just a little bit over or a little bit over. So I like the fact that they made it all the way across, so you've got so many options when doing your pull-ups. So yeah, we've got our grip in the middle, so we could do pull-ups like this. We could also do underhand pull-ups as well, which is nice because you could also work on a different type of grip and a different part of your body when working out. So we've got the inside grip like this. That's a really good workout for your biceps. And the way that this actually works is this is gonna hook on your door frame, and you can see these little hooks that are over here on the back. Those are gonna latch on to the back of the door frame. And then the other part on here is going to be rubber. So let me go ahead and push this on. I'm gonna hook it to the back of the door frame. I always try to touch back here just to make sure, okay, it's in the right position. And then these are the rubber pieces that are gonna actually push up against your door frame. And this is a good design because if you've got, you don't want to mess up your actual door frame. So if you've got this rubber that's going to push up against it, you should have no problems of it damaging or even scratching up the door frame at all. Now this can also be put away nice and easily as well. So basically you're going to take this and then you can press down on these pieces, twist them in, and then now it's nice and easy for you to put away. So if like you have guests coming over, or if you've got it in an area where you don't want it out all the time, maybe you don't want your kids playing with it, it's easy. You could store it away nice and flat. And then when you want to use it, you just twist it again. These pieces come out, slides right through, and now you're hooked onto the door frame. And it's nice because it also comes with this elastic band. So if you're not really able to do your pull-ups quite yet, you want to get some practice in, this is great that it actually includes this, so you don't have to go out and buy one of these separately. So the way that this works is you're going to put this band right here in the middle, and then you're going to put your foot into here. You want to get probably both your feet in here at some point. So now we've got our feet in here, and it's going to help assist and push you up. Or you could also kind of put your knees in here as well. So it's a little difficult to get in here, but you can do something like this and it'll hold and push you up and give you some assistance going up. So if you're not quite ready, or if maybe you've already done a couple sets of pull-ups and you just want a little bit more help on doing a few more, this is a great way to burn out. Now for my favorite part is the dip bar. So the dip bar is gonna hook on here with these two hooks, and you're gonna see that there's these foam pieces over here on the side, and this is what's actually gonna push up against your door frame. Now in the middle, it also is gonna have these foam grips as well. So you could do a couple of other exercises. If you wanted to maybe practice something for your back, something like this, you could even use that middle piece. Now, when we do the dips, we wanna make sure that we're facing away from the door, just because if you're this way, you can see you might hit your head, you might hit your face, just kind of depends on how far you lean forward. But let's go ahead and do a little example this way. I wanna make sure that these are all the way pushed up against the wall. And then as soon as you kind of get your body weight on there, it'll get into position and it'll be nice and firm. So we get up on it and we can do our dips. Now I've got it set up right here in the middle, so you can see there's gonna be 3 different options for you to use this dip bar. I like the middle position. I feel like this gets right in the middle of my chest. If you want a wide grip, you put it out there. And then if you want a close grip, more tricep or maybe closer on the inside of your chest, then you can connect it right into the middle. And these are really easy to pop off. You're just basically gonna unscrew this, slide it right through the next part, and then you're ready to go again. The foam that's on all of this is really nice, especially the part on the dips, because basically you're putting your whole body weight when you're on here. So it's important to have a nice foam grip. And these are really nice, and they're all around the dip and pull-up bar. So you've got thick grips over here, you got a nice thick grip over here, and then same thing here in the middle. So they did a really good job in designing this. I love the way that this is set up. It's nice and easy. I've seen some of the other pull-up bar, dip bar combos where you have to actually unscrew the dip bar, and that's such a waste of time. And it's like, let's say I'm doing pull-ups, dips, I'm not trying to sit here and unscrew it every time. I want to have something that I can easily, boom, pop it off, move it off to the side, get my pull-ups in, and then boom, put it up. Same thing with putting it away. It's nice because this, you can see that the profile of this is not wide. So if I want to put this away, I can slide it in somewhere, and you can see it's not taking up much space at all. So if you're looking for a really good pull-up bar and dip bar combo, this thing is very well thought out, very well put together, and everything is nice and sturdy. So if you're looking for something that's really well put together, nice and sturdy, and honestly is just a good setup for the home, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.